Hello everyone! Today is our 31st class. Today's topic is the Puppet Warp tool. With the help of the Puppet Warp tool, we can place pins on our design and move different parts of the shape easily. The Puppet Warp tool is available in the left side toolbar. As you can see, we have created some shapes here. Now we apply the Puppet Warp tool to these shapes. When the tool is applied, a mesh appears on the shape along with several pinpoints. Wherever these pins are placed, we can move the shape from those specific points. For example, when we click on a pin, a circular indicator appears around it. By dragging the mouse, we can rotate or move that part of the shape in any direction, and the shape will move accordingly. We can also add more pins manually, according to our design requirements. If we want to remove any pin, we can simply delete it. In the same way, we can apply the Puppet Warp tool to other shapes and adjust them as needed. This allows us to make flexible and precise changes to our design.